just left McKillips Bridge. I've been here once before and I've done an episode on it, so I'm not going to carry on and rave on about what a great structure it is and, you know, how it was destroyed and when it was rebuilt and how much higher and how long it is and etc. It'll all be up there in that thumbnail there. If you want to check that video out, feel free to do that. I'm currently driving out to the west, heading sort of towards Buchan or Benambra. Now this is a very narrow and windy road, and I would not recommend bringing a caravan on this one. So there's not many places you can pull over to let oncoming traffic and get past you. So I know the sign's saying it's recommended you don't bring them. You know, experience of towing a caravan, you might get away with it if you don't meet oncoming traffic, but otherwise if you're a novice, just stay off it, because looking down there, I reckon I'm 150 metres down to the Snowy River and there's not much to stop you from going over that edge, I tell you. I'll pull up here and I'll show you. It's crazy. I wouldn't do it. So here we go. This is one of the few spots I reckon you can pull over. A little bit of room, maybe enough room to get a caravan past. But this is the edge. There's the Snowy. I won't lie to you, I'm nervous standing on this edge here filming. So I don't know why you want to tow a caravan down here. They got like UHF's call-up sign saying use channel 40. So if you got a UHF, make sure you turn it on and have the volume up. Not that many people call up anyway, but it's better to be safe than sorry. That's what we're talking about here. If you come around this corner here and you hit a caravan coming the other way, man, who's pulling over? You're about a metre of clearance before you drop off, about 100 metres straight down the edge. I was just talking about how narrow this road is and that, and there's not much room to pass. But you imagine these guys who built this back in the day. That's insane, hey? And like, over the edge here, this is not the best example. It's a long way down there. Look what they've just chewed out of here. All this to make a road. Give them credit, eh? Like, that would have been a fucking hell-raising fucking job, eh? Build that. Here we are, little River Gorge. This is the deepest gorge in Victoria. In places it's 500 metres deep apparently. You've got a little river over there. I think that drops like 300 metres down to the bottom of the gorge floor. There's another little waterfall over there, looks pretty cool as well. Absolutely stunning, eh? Unreal. Oh, I'll get the drone up. See if I can capture some of this. Okay, I won't lie to you. It scares the shit out of me flying my drone around in places like this, because I know if I lose control of it, I'm not the best operator of a drone. It's gone, because there's just quietly, there's fucking no way I'm getting it out of there, I tell you. Right, let's see how we go. Beauty should come home. Alright, gotta keep moving. That's pretty impressive, eh? I'm guessing you can probably hear that noise. That has progressively got worse since I left Adaminaby in the snow, up Snowy Mountains. Normally does it at startup. There you go, see it's quieting down now. That's another reason why I didn't want to do the Dedic track as well. If I break down here, I'm in a location I can be probably rescued and get taken back on the tilt tray or whatever needs to happen. But if something goes wrong there, yeah, I'll be in trouble, I think, up in the Dedic track. I'm not sure what it is. It's not internally. It's something to do with the pulleys and the belts, or maybe the harmonic balancer, I'm not sure, but it all looks like it's running good. Like, yeah, there's no wobble, so. Right, just need to keep moving. Okay, just coming into Little River Falls. Alright, it's at Little River Falls. We'll go have a look at this. anyway, that's going to bring this episode to an end, I hate to say. I'm not risk going off-road with no reception, as is I've got no reception at the moment. So I'm going to have to probably nurse the old girl home. So I hope you enjoy what you're seeing in probably these 2 episodes. Something a little bit different. There's probably more points of interest than 4-wheel driving, but as I said, I enjoy doing points of interest. And yeah, so if you enjoyed it, you know, make sure you press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, leave a comment. I'll get back to you on that. And yeah, once again, put some gravel in your travel. See you all next time.